And in our final item tonight, IndiansInKuwait.com, a part of Lemonade International, launched its second Shukran supplement on its website with letters of appreciation from His Excellency Sami Sulaiman, Ambassador of Kuwait to India, and His Excellency Sunil Jain, Ambassador of India to Kuwait. Sarah Faris-Globe has more details in this report.
IndiansInKuwait.com, the complete web portal for the Indian community in Kuwait, launched its special supplement entitled Shukran on the occasion of Kuwait's National and Liberation Days.
See, we IndiansInKuwait.com have launched this online supplement Shukran Kuwait, which is a tribute to this country where we are living, mainly to celebrate the National and Liberation Day of Kuwait. And you mean Shukran, you know what it means. It means thank you. It is a thank you from our side, from the Indians to Kuwait, which is our second home. So this is nothing but a gratitude to the country that we are living in. See, we have an interview being published in this online supplement, which is of the Ambassador of Kuwait in India, Mr. Sami Al Sulaiman. He has given us an interview which is published in our this year's online supplement, and even he has appreciated the work done by IndiansInKuwait.com. We have our Ambassador of India in Kuwait given a message for our readers through this supplement.
The supplement included both Indians living in Kuwait talking about their experiences and Kuwaitis living in India sharing theirs, and features articles from ambassadors, CEOs and chairmen of various organizations, ordinary residents and school students.
We have been celebrating our Independence Day and Republic Day. So we had last year we thought let us also celebrate the National and Liberation Day of Kuwait by launching the online supplement. And once we had launched the online supplement, we got a lot of response from our readers and from the other Kuwaitis and appreciations and a lot of things. So we thought let us continue it this year also by starting our second edition, and that is how we thought of having it this year also, the online supplement. The main difference you can say is like we have got more response this year with lot of more articles. And we have got a lot of articles from the school students, from our regular contributors, and a lot of Kuwaitis with their interviews and everything being published this year more than last year. We have there is a Kuwaiti who had gone for an Indian marriage this year, so his interview has been done and that has been published in this. We have the Indian business, how it has become popular here in Kuwait, mainly the restaurant, the Indian cuisine that has become very popular here in Kuwait, that we have published here in this particular supplement. Then we have many other regular contributors. They have given their life in Kuwait, how they have felt living here in Kuwait from many years as their second home.
IndiansInKuwait.com will also issue their second Shukran magazine, featuring all the articles and pictures present on the supplement. This is the second year IndiansInKuwait.com launched this great tribute to this dear country we live in on the occasion of the National and Liberation Day holidays, giving the opportunity for Indians and Kuwaitis to express their true sentiments and experiences towards this deep-rooted brotherly relationship. From Lemonade International in Salhiyah, this is Sarah Globe reporting for English News.